you about the story of Snow White. Once upon a time, in a far, far away land, there lived a queen. One day, when the queen was sitting by the window working, she pricked her finger, and there fell from it 3 drops of blood. And when she saw how bright and red it was, the queen said to herself,
"Oh, that I had a child, as wise as now, as just as beloved, and as blessed as the roots of the brotherly family."
Not very long after, she had a daughter.
Oh, our daughter has a skin as white as snow, leaves as red as blue, and hair as red as ebony. Do you want to name our daughter?
I called her Snow White.
Yes, oh.
And when she was born, the queen passed away. After a year had gone by, the king married a new queen, a beautiful but evil woman. She could not bear to be surpassed in beauty by anyone. She had a magic mirror, and she often stood in front of it and looked in it and said to the mirror,
"Oh, how my eyes beautiful! Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful person on the world?"
You are the most beautiful person in the world.
"Oh, I know. Oh, I'm very beautiful."
The stepmother was very satisfied because she knew that the mirror spoke the truth. Now, Snow White was growing prettier and prettier, and when she was 7 years old, she was more beautiful than the queen. One day, when the stepmother went to the mirror and asked,
"Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful person on the world?"
Queen, you are very beautiful, it's true. But now Snow White is more beautiful than you.
"What? Snow White? Why is Snow White? I don't want. Call hunter for me."
Dear king,
"Hunter, now you take the Snow White into the forest. I don't want to see her anymore. You kill her and bring her liver and lungs for me. Go!"
yes.
The hunter obeyed and took Princess Snow White into the deep forest. But when he put down his knife and was about to kill the princess, she cried,
Leander, I will run away. When running, I swear, I will do the places again.
You should hide in the forest.
Thank you.
The hunter felt so relieved because he didn't kill the princess. At that moment, a young white boy jumped forward. He killed it and took the liver and lungs
Dear
to
queen.
bring to the queen as evidence.
This liver and lungs of Snow White.
Oh. Check. Cook it, I will eat all of it. Now I'm the most beautiful on the world. The story of my teeth. is finished. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.
Đội Ninh Sơn nói